What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. So today is October 26th and it has been a little over a month since I sold the F30, and I told you guys I would be looking for a new BMW, a new build for myself and the channel, and I'm super excited to say that I have indeed found the next BMW for me and the channel. Now, I actually found this car right after I sold the F30, but I've literally been waiting a month to actually get this car in my possession, and that is because this car is not local to my area. It is located in San Jose, California from a private seller, and for those of you who may not know your geography, San Jose, California is in Northern California. I'm in San Diego, California, which is in the southern part of California. So yeah, the car is about 430 miles away from me. So since it is that far away from me, I'm going to be flying out to San Jose, California tomorrow, which is the 27th, and then I'm going to be driving it all the way back down here to San Diego, California. So my plan is to fly there very early in the morning, get there around 8 a.m., and then meet up with the guy, test drive the car, take a good look at the car, and make sure I want to make the purchase. And then, like I said, I'm going to drive it all the way back down here, which I am really not excited for, because that drive is going to take about 7 hours, you know, depending on traffic and how many stops we make along the way. But it has to be done, and I didn't want to spend another $1,700 to have it shipped to where I am. I figured it wasn't that big of a deal to just spend a couple $100s instead and just, you know, fly there and then drive it back down here. So yeah, guys, I am super excited. This is probably the most excited I've ever been, like, anytime recently, or my entire life maybe. Because this car is essentially my dream car. This is the car I've been wanting since before I even got my E90, which is what I'm sitting in right now. So yeah, this car is something very special, and that's why I was also willing to travel, you know, that far to go get it and then bring it back down here, because this car is something special. I'm not going to say what it is. I'm just going to wait to reveal it to you guys later in the video. But once you see it, you guys will understand why it's a special one. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say. I don't want to waste any more time here, so feel free to sit back and relax and enjoy this little vlog showing, you know, my experience going to pick up my dream car. Alright, you guys. Well, I got the car, and I'm literally at a loss for words. I can't even like believe this is happening. This is crazy, you guys. I can't believe this. So yeah, the new car is an F80 M3, which, like I said, is my dream car. So that's why this is like, this is really unbelievable right now that I got this car. This is crazy. Like, I can't believe it. This is wild. So yeah, guys, the new car is an F80 M3, which I feel like was an obvious guess as to what my next car would be. Yeah, like I said, this has been my dream car since before I got the E90, so like over like 8+ years ago. And it is really crazy that I at this point I'm now in the possession of one. And not just any M3, this pretty insanely spec'd M3 that has all of the options that I wanted, the color, and literally everything, the year, mileage, and everything. This car is in an immaculate condition. So the car is a 2018 F80 M3 with only 18,000 miles in this beautiful Avis Blue metallic color, which is an individual color. So yeah, this car looks insane in person. I feel like the camera doesn't really just show how good this car looks in person, man. It looks so good. So yeah, guys, everything went perfectly smooth in terms of like the process of getting the car and exchanging, ownership with the previous owner. By the way, the previous owner is a really cool guy that took insane care of this car. Like, this car is in really, really good condition. He did whatever he could to take care of this car. So yeah, guys, this car is definitely, like I said, a special one. It is special. That's all I can say. But I don't really want to talk too much because I have to start my drive back down to San Diego. In the next video, I will be doing a full overview of the car, like going over everything, all the specs and options, and just everything I plan to do to the car, and yeah, anything I can think of about the car. It's going to be in the next video, so if you guys aren't subscribed and you guys want to see that, feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. But yeah, I think that's all I'm going to say for now, because like I said, I want to get on the road. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start my drive back down to San Diego. Alright guys, so I stopped here at a little rest stop to use the bathroom. I guess I just wanted to give a little update, but we've driven about 150 miles so far. We still got 278 miles left to go till we are back home in about 5 hours still. So we still got a while. So far, this car is pretty comfortable, surprisingly. I thought it would be more rough and, you know, you'd be able to feel every little thing on the road, but so far, this car is very comfortable, and I can see why people daily this car. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get back on the road here. Alright you guys, so it is now the next day, and I'm happy to say that I made it back to San Diego, my house, without any issue. The entire drive, the M3 was driving amazing, had zero issues whatsoever. I was kind of afraid maybe since it hadn't driven, you know, this far, made this long of a drive in a single session. So yeah, I kind of just want to wrap up this video. Since I feel like this has kind of been a longer video, longer than I would like it to be. So yeah guys, like I said, stay tuned for the next video. I will do a full overview of the M3, go over all the specs, go over everything, and talk about future plans with the car and all that. So look out for that video coming soon right after this one. But yeah guys, this has been an awesome experience. I still can't believe that I have this car in my possession now. Also, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you, all of my supporters, all of you who watch my videos, all of you who've been following me on Instagram, all of you who have purchased anything from my store or shown support in any way. I really couldn't have done it without you guys. So yeah, just thank you. That's all I have to say. It is a big part of the reason why I was able to get this car is because of you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am very grateful and appreciative of all the support you guys have shown me throughout the last few years, and you know, allowing for this opportunity to present itself to me. So yeah guys, just thank you. I really don't want to drag this on any longer, so thank you guys for watching. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more content like this if you liked what you saw. Also, feel free to check out inline6auto.com for any aftermarket upgrades for your F30 or E90. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video.